Hey guys, AKIL'S here. I want to hop in and just share with you one of the top ideas on our radar from today's live trading room session. It's going to come here on the pound New Zealand. And what I like about this opportunity is that it's an opportunity that really allows us to wait and really wait for the market to show its hand before taking any type of action. So I've got this saying that says we want to be predictive in our analysis, reactive in our execution, which means that yes, as traders and technical analysts, we want to predict what we think is going to happen next in the market, but we also want to wait for the market to leave us clues that what we think is likely to happen is more likely to happen than not. And that's how we increase our probabilities. That's how we increase our edge and all that fun stuff. So I want to go down here first and foremost to the hourly time frame here on the pound New Zealand. And I want to show you guys this tight consolidation that has happened, right? We've kind of nosedived since up here, and then we've come down and we just kind of bounced back and forth within this range, right? We found highs, we found lows, and we're trading within this box, right? Consolidation leads to expansion, meaning that as the market consolidates, eventually it will break out. And the question is, are we going to break out to the upside or the downside? Well, the answer to that is it doesn't matter, right? As a trader, we are selfish mercenaries, right? We don't really care what side we're working for. We just want to be able to take advantage of whatever the move is. So in a situation like this, why not prepare for both? So going back to the 4-hour chart, what I want to do is I want to anticipate, okay, well, if we break out to the upside, then where are we likely to go to? Well, previous structure right in here. If we break down to the downside, where are we likely to go to, right? Our previous level of structure right here. So I've got my two target levels on the radar. So all I have to do now is wait for the market to confirm which way it's going to break. If we break and close to the upside, then we're more likely to go up. If we break and close to the downside, then we're more likely to go down. So I'm prepared in advance for either situation. I know how to handle it. I have my target set. I know my entries. Now all I have to do is wait. And when you put yourself in positions like that as a trader, it makes the job so much simpler. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love talking trading. I do read each and everything that you guys type in. Hope you guys have a safe trading week. Tomorrow's a big day, especially with the US PCE news coming out. So be safe in the markets. And until next time, plan your trade your plan. Take care.
I want to be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display.